Now, Jamaica Cricket Association President Wilford Billy Heaven has responded to the announcement of an imminent challenge to his presidency by former national player Mark Nita. Heaven says he remains the right man to lead local cricket's governing body.
Wilford Billy Heaven says he's confident of being re-elected and serving a third term as president of the Jamaica Cricket Association. His comment comes as a retort to a recent announcement from Melbourne Cricket Club's president Mark Nita that he will be challenging for the presidency of the JCA at its next AGM. Nita, who is also a former national player, said at the recent Melbourne Cricket Club Awards that the country's cricket was doing poorly and that the time for change was now. But Heaven, who has been JCA president since 2013, sees things differently and says he has the backing of the JCA members for a third term.
We just had a retreat in October. We have created a critical path for the development of cricket in Jamaica, and we had a good turnout of clubs and parishes there represented. Everybody coming together, and everybody had an input into this program. The strategies are clear, the directions are clear, and the results will be seen.
So you're ready for the challenge then?
Oh yes, our team is ready because our objective is cricket and cricket alone.
Ironically, like it was in 2016, Heaven will again be challenged by another member of his executive. Then he beat back the challenge of Secretary Fritz Harris to win a second term. But is his team ready for the challenge from Nita, who is the current second vice president in Heaven's administration?
Oh yes, our team is ready because our objective is cricket and cricket alone.
And Heaven might have already found an ally in St. Anne Cricket Association President Keith Walford, who, although not wanting to declare his hand, feels Heaven has been doing a good job.
We look forward to the election coming up and hope that the programs that has been implemented and that has been going on now in terms of the franchise and the 15s and the 17s, everything, that these programs will be continued.
The next JCA elections are constitutionally due at the end of January. Jermaine Brown reporting for TVJ Sports.